Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2019 Nissan Sentra SV in Aspen White. With automatic headlamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, electronic stability control, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 33,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seating, 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 8063A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.